Yes, here we are again. What's up again, everyone? Welcome back here. Today, let's continue the series. Okay. Today I want to continue the cloud series. Okay, which is today I want to show with you guys how to install and set up NVM in your server. Yeah. Basically, NVM is stands for Node Version Manager, and it will help you to easily manage Node.js and NPM, of course. Okay. So yeah, let's start. Okay, here I already opened a new server here, yeah, which is using Ubuntu again. And the first thing that we want always to do when we set up a new server is just to update it, right, with sudo apt-get update. Yep, I think we're done here. Yep, we're done. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see here, because we want to install npm, we have to install it, right? So just refer to the official documentation, yeah, which is here. I already opened it in GitHub. Yeah, you can check it in on GitHub. Okay, npm, not version manager. Okay, so you want to easily manage the multiple active Node.js version in your server, right? So just go ahead here and now you can see it. Okay, so there are two things that you can do here using curl or widget. Okay, so maybe we can try using this one, and just pass it and just enter. Okay, it will do everything automatically, right? So the next thing we want to do is we want to copy this command as well, right? Okay, so you already download it and you want to just copy this one next. Okay, it's fine, just fine. Type enter, and if you can see here, okay, let's try to check. Yeah, just type npm. Okay, boom. Okay, npm is already installed in our server, right? So basically you just type npm, and if it show you like this list of commands, it means that it's already installed in your server. Okay, so as you can see here, there are a lots of comments here, yeah, that you can use, but thing like the most important thing is you want to install, right? Okay, you want to install Node.js here. So basically I just type, let's clear it first, right? I just want to type npm install, and then I want just to install the LTS Node.js version, yeah, or else, which is the long term support, yeah, which is here now is version 18, yeah. So as you can see here, if you want to check your Node.js version, you just can type node /v like this. Okay, and then it will show you the current version that already installed in your computer or your server, yeah. And you can check also you can check the npm version, yeah, which is here. It's already installed, of course, with Node.js. Okay, and so yeah, that's it. Pretty simple, right? If we check npm again, let's say we want to npm install now. Okay, we want to install the the latest version of Node.js, which is I think it's 20 something. Oh yeah, right, yeah, it's 20. Okay, version 20, and as you can see it, you can change, yeah, npm use. Okay, let's just check it first, like what version is installed, and it's already changed, yeah, to version 20 here. So you want to change again, yeah, to the LTS. Wait, is it the right comment? Okay, right, so you already changed it again, and you can check again, sorry, you can check again the version, okay, which is now we are already changed it again to the version 18, which is the LTS version, not the 20, because 20 is the newest one. And that's why, okay, you want to install npm, okay, because you can easily manage the Node.js version using it. Okay, it's pretty simple, right? Better than you install Node.js manually. Okay, it's better just use nvm here. Okay, so yeah, basically that's all that I can show you with you today, guys. I hope it's helpful, and don't forget to practice. Okay, if you get any problem, feel free to comment down below and I'll help you. Okay, so yeah, that's all from me today. Thank you so much everyone and have a nice day.